For lung sound test, press and hold the power button of the smart stethoscope device. After the device has been turned on, turn on the Bluetooth of the mobile phone. After turning on the Bluetooth, open the Remote Examination Care app. Go to Appointments and select the appointment which has tests. You will see the list of tests. From the list of tests, select the lung sound. First of all, we will see the instructions to attempt the test, like where to place the device and how to conduct the test. Now after we have seen the instructions, now we will start the test. Scan for the device, and from device result connect to the device. After connecting to the device, you will see test screen. Now start the test by pressing the start test button and place the device on your lungs as instructed in the instructions. Stop the measurement after some times if you want, or you can wait for it to automatically stop after 1.5 minutes. Now you can save the result from save a pop-up. After saving, app will navigate you back to appointment details screen. Now here you can see your test results. You can either play audio of the test results, or if you want you can see video of the test result as well.